do I love doing dog commissions. Not the usual pet portraits. No. I do humorous dog commissions. Here's the sketch I did, and Belle's owner approved it. And now, as I start the painting with a wild abstract underpainting, I'll tell you the story behind it. You see, the underpainting is the background most artists use, except for watercolor artists, as a background. Some are gray, some are orange, but I prefer to use a gaggle of colors so they peek through as the painting starts to emerge. You'll see that happening as I finish the painting. And while the painting is coming along, let me tell you about Belle. This one was really great. You see, Belle waits patiently for her owner to finish her weekly tango lesson. And with 5 minutes to go, Belle gets to dance with the instructor. She flies around the room to some exciting flamenco music with a scarf trailing behind her. And that's what I wanted to capture in this commission for her owner. I add detail here and there. See, it's starting to happen. See, it's starting to happen. I try to add form and color at the same time. And the painting starts to emerge until most of the background falls away, but lots of color comes through. So maybe you'd like me to paint your dog, or cat, or parrot. If you would, please leave a comment and we'll connect. Okay? Well, see you. Bye.